Yes, ma'am.
Come on, what are describing words?
Adjectives.
Okay. Give me one example.
Okay, ma'am. This is my short eraser.
Small.
Small eraser.
Very good. And what is describing word? What is describing word in that sentence?
Small.
Very good. Fast, fast, children. Ketana,
Yes.
what are describing words?
This is my short pencil.
Short pencil. Ah, what is describing word in that sentence?
Short.
Very good. Adiksha. Pradiksha, unmute
Yes.
yourself. Yes. Now tell me, what are describing words?
I drink hot milk.
First, you tell me what are describing words. Describing words. Describe words which describe a noun or pronoun.
Pronoun. Noun.
Or pronoun. Okay, now, huh. Now give me one example.
I drink hot milk.
I will drink hot milk. Okay, what is describing word in that?
Hot.
Very good. Swarnika,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, beta, what are describing words?
I love to drink cold chocolate milkshake.
Oh, even I love to drink that. Please share with me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And what is the describing word in that sentence?
Cold.
Very good. Mayuri,
Ma'am,
yes, Mayuri, what are describing words?
this is my red dress.
This is my red dress. What is describing word in that sentence?
Red dress.
Red is a describing word. Very good. Akshara Reddy.
Yes,
Akshara.
ma'am.
Yes, Akshara. Tell me, beta, what are describing words?
Describing words or adjectives.
Describing words are adjectives, okay? Mm, and they describe words that describe a noun or
Pronoun.
very good.
Pronoun.
Can you describe a noun? Yes. I will tell you one noun. Butterfly. Can you describe a butterfly? How it looks? Butterfly. Describe it. Or okay, I'll give you another one. Pizza.
Okay, ma'am.
Pizza. Can you describe the pizza?
Pizza.
Huh.
Hot pizza.
Very good. Good, good, good. Yeah, Tanvisri, Manaha, you have to wait for your next turn. Let me cover all the children first. Okay? Brindha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Brindha. What are describing words?
Yeah, ma'am.
What are describing words? Come on, fast. Don't waste time, children. Make it fast.
Noun or pronoun?
Ah,
My scale is short scale.
okay. Short is a describing word and scale is a noun. Very good. Arhan Mohammed,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me one example for the describe any noun and make a sentence. Come on.
Describing words,
Huh?
steps, noun, or pronoun.
Very good. Ronald, Ronald,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, give me one describing word and make a sentence with that. Come on, fast.
I drink cold milk.
Very good. And what is describing in that?
Cold.
Very good. Ayansh Gupta,
Yes, ma'am.
what are describing words?
Sharp. Sharp.
Short,
Blue. Sharp.
sharp,
Sharper.
make a sentence.
Sharp skill.
Okay, Sudhamsh, Sudhamsh, Sudhamsh is not responding. Sai Ritvik Reddy,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, tell me. Give me one
The
describing word.
soup is hot.
The soup is hot. What is describing word in that?
Hot.
Very good. Ashwath,
Ma'am.
yes, Ashwath. What are, come on, you give me one describing word.
What is page number, ma'am?
No page number. First, you look at me. Now, tell me, what are describing words?
What?
Describe.
No.
Tell me what describe a noun or pronoun.
No problem.
Okay, now I will tell you one noun. You have to describe it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Mm, milkshake.
Milkshake. Cold.
Very good. And cold is a describing word.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, children, did I ask everyone? Did I miss any child? Manha, I asked you already. Yes, Manha.
No.
Tell me.
No, ma'am, you did not ask me.
Okay, now you tell me then.
What is the answer?
What is the answer? You want answer from me. You describe, give me a describing word, Manha.
Okay, ma'am. I catch a butterfly and that will be beautiful.
Butterfly, beautiful, very good. I caught a butterfly and it is very beautiful, very good. Good children. So, did I miss any child? Everyone are covered? Right, very good. Yes. Dhruti, I didn't ask you.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Dhruti, come on, tell me, beta.
I will drink hot coffee.
Oh, and what is describing word in that?
Hot.
Very good. So I think almost I have covered all the children. Very good. And now let us start today's topic. When Ali became Bajrangabali.
Miss, she didn't ask me.
Ah, I missed you. Come on, Tarini. Yes. Fast, fast.
I didn't get hot tea.
You drank hot tea. Okay. And what is the describing word in that sentence?
Hot.
Good. Grade 1 children are very smart children. What is the describing word in that? Can you identify a describing word?
Smart. Smart.
Yes, yes. Smart. You can unmute yourself.
Smart.
Okay.
Smart. Smart.
To that, in our previous class, we discussed about the dream of Mr. Moochwala. Yes? Bajrangabali was in his dream and he was saying, what did he say? What did he want to this Moochwala? Bajrangabali wants something, right? What did he want? Leave Bargad alone.
Leave burger alone.
Leave
Said
burger alone.
Bajrangbali, or I will set your boat on fire like I did in Lanka.
Very good, very good. So, leave Bargad alone, said Bajrangabali, or I will set your mooch on fire like I did in Lanka. Very good. So, let's continue now. Yes. So, what happened next? After the dream, no, he was very much scared. He was very much scared. And what did he do? Let's see now. Everyone has to open page number 23. This is, yes, yes. Page number 23. Yes. Page number 23. Open this book, everyone. This plan is cancelled, thundered Mr. Moochwala. The next day, as his three engineers stood before him shaking in their shoes. See, the plan is cancelled. Now what? He is very much scared of Bajrangabali now. Yes, Bajrangabali told that he will put fire. He is very much scared. Mr. Moochwala is scared. He said he will put fire to Mr. Moochwala on his mooch. Yes. Now what he did? He was scared and he's telling to the engineers, this plan is cancelled. Don't cut the trees. Plan is cancelled. Thundered. Thundered means what? Do you know thunder? A big sound you will get from the sky when it is raining. Angry sound, yes. So in that way he's shouting, this plan is cancelled. Yes, he's shouting. Huh? Yes. And then when this Mr. Moochwala is shouting, no, these two engineers started shaking. They also got scared. You see them? How they are scaring? Yes. Now let's see. It is the worst road plan I have ever seen. He wrote some more. Which idiot sanctioned it? Now he's telling, Mr. Moochwala is telling, this road plan is waste plan. Who made this plan? Which idiot made this plan? Then engineers said, sir, you only made, sir. He is the idiot now. He himself is telling her that which idiot made this plan. Actually, that plan was made by Mr. Moochwala only. Yes, he got angry and in that mood, no, he got frustrated. He was very much angry, and he was shouting, and he forgot that who made that plan. And he's asking to the engineers, which idiot made it? It is a waste plan. Then the engineer said, sir, you did. One of the engineers said in a quavering voice. Quavering voice means shaking voice. Yes? You are fired, screamed Mr. Mochwala. You are fired means you don't have job now. Go. You lost your job. Don't want this plan. We are not going to cut any trees. Leave. Go. He's shouting. Once again, it was morning. See the next page. Once again, it was morning, and once again, only the night owl's eyes were wide open. Again, the owl's eyes are wide open. The monsters are leaving. He hooted happily. What the owl is telling? See, owl is telling that, hey, monsters are leaving. Monsters are leaving. One day, owl only said, no, there are big monsters. Two monsters came to cut the tree. But now they are happy. Yes, they are leaving. Monsters are leaving. They are not cutting the tree. Jalebi, Gileri and Silaro, Dupki and Chupki, Anguri, Fofayu, Chuppi and Chatter Patter watched. See, all the birds' names are here. Jalebi, you know that is a snake. Gileri and Silaro, you know the squirrels. Dupki and Chupki, you know the bats. Fofayu, parrot. Chuppi and Chatter Patter are the birds which are sitting on the trees. Yes, they all are watching. Ali couldn't stop grinning. Do you know grinning? What is grinning? Laughing with a wide smile. See, look at Ali's smile. He's grinning, a very big, broad smile. From this cheek to this cheek. He's grinning. Yes, he's happy now. He's grinning. Now see, turn the page number 25. You see how Ali is sitting on the tree with the crown and the mace. Crown and the mace looking like a Bajrangabali. And look at that Moochwala. What is he doing? Look at the Moochwala. He thought that he is a real god, Bajrangabali, and he is praying, breaking the coconut. Yes. Suddenly, somebody yelled, Jai Bajrangabali. Everyone got a start. Crack. What is the sound that? Crack. Crack is the sound of? Tell me. Unmute and tell me. Crack is the sound of?
That is the sound of coconut.
Ah, coconut breaking.
Coconut sound, ma'am.
Yes, they
Ma'am?
smashed the coconut.
In the page number 23, Mr. Moosewala teeth fell down.
Coconut
Yes.
snake allowed the crack.
Yes. So Mr. Moochwala smashed. He took a coconut and he smashed on the ground. Crack! And he said, Jai Bajrangabali, Jai Bajrangabali, Jai Bajrangabali. He started, yes, praying. He clapped his palms together, closed his eyes and said, forgive me, Bajrangabali, my lord. I did not know this was your home. He's praying now. Please, Bajrangabali, forgive me. I'm really sorry. I don't know this tree is yours. Lord Bajrangabali, I don't know this tree is yours, so I'm not going to cut it. Please leave me. Don't put fire on my mustache. Yes, he's very much scared. And up in the tree, there he was, Bajrangabali, looking splendid. looking at him, very surprising. Yes. And the monkey god raised his hand and blessed him. See, as a god will do, no, as God will bless, he's also blessing the Mr. Moochwala. Mr. Moochwala placed a big bunch of banana below the tree. Big bunch of banana he placed. Ali is so happy. Yes. Now he is very much happy. He got a big bunch of banana. Now turn the page and see how Ali is eating the bananas. Yes, he's enjoying the bananas. Yes, ah, big banana he's just putting in his mouth. See, their tree would not be safe and he would get his fill of bananas every day. Yelling Jai Bajranga Bali, Ali stuffed a banana in his mouth. Now, Bajranga Bali, the now monkey is very much thankful to the real God Bajranga Bali, Lord Bajranga Bali, and he said, "Oh Bajranga Bali, this all because of you only. Because of you, my tree is saved, and because of you, I got these bananas." And he said, "Jai Bajranga Bali," and ate the banana. He's eating the banana. And do you know, children, one man is in very much angry. He's roaming here and there. Can you guess who is that man? One man is in very much angry. Who is that man?
Ravan.
Ah, yes. See, look at the Ravan. What the Ravan is doing?
One crown and mace is missing. That's why he's so angry.
He's so angry and he couldn't find it. Where is my crown and where is my mace? Look at him. Yes, he's very...
Why he need Miss Man? Mace?
Because he want to perform a drama, no? Drama. Ram Leela was the drama he used to do. Without the
Yeah.
how he will do?
Yes.
See, look at the picture. One of the head is not having mace, you see? There is no mace on the head.
Yes, ma'am.
And he is angry.
The mace head also is angry, ma'am.
Yes, there is no mace and there is no crown. So this is all
Before mace, that is oh. That head is telling. Oh.
Yes. Okay. So now, children, this is the story of Bajranga Bali when Ali became Bajranga Bali. Now Ali became Bajranga Bali. He made everyone scared and Mr. Moochwala ran away from the Bargat Chawl. Yes, all the animals are happy because their home is safe. Yes, safe. It is safe. Now, once again, we will revise the entire book. Now, you tell me, children, who is the writer of this story, author of the story? Can you tell me?
Devashish Makija.
Very good. Yes, Devashish Makhija. And who is the illustrator? Illustrator means picture.
Priya Kamurian.
Priya Korean. Priya Korean, yes. Very good. And total, how many pages we have in this book?
29.
30.
Last page book.
Very
29.
good.
Book last page.
30.
Yes, 30. Now everyone
Okay.
to open your course book.
Miss,
Yes, beta.
I don't like Ali. When Ali became a Bajranga Bali story, I like Fakhruddin Fritz story.
Very good, very good.
I don't like that story. It's too
You-
big.
He cheated, no?
What?
Ali cheated everyone.
Ali cheated everyone?
Yeah.
So that's why I hate the book.
Okay.
I like only Fakhruddin fridge book.
Fakhruddin fridge book. That was nice. He found a partner. Yes.